Well, how we doing today, guys? So, want to say hi to the camera? Do what? We're getting ready to do a Trump train here in Guernsey County, Ohio, and quite a decent turnout. Quite a decent turnout. We're taking off here about 3 o'clock. It's about, what time do you think it is now? Probably 2:30. 2:24. So we got a few more minutes before we take off out of here, but not a bad turnout at all. So it's yeah, we're getting there. Not much really needed to say here. I think everybody here kind of, it speaks for itself. It's October 5th, 2024. That's the Trump tire. Got more people rolling in. I'm very surprised we got a third row, actually. Dude definitely want to fix his flag. It'd be cool if we get a fourth row by the end of it, but I doubt that'll happen. Of course, I don't know. I really didn't expect to get this full this quick. Shut up. Nope. Take more videos here in a little bit when we're actually rolling with this thing. Yeah, that's one right now. So I'm done now, but earlier today, I was going to post the rest of the videos and stuff. I only took 1 or 2, but somebody I know was also in the Trump train today. That was in Guernsey County, Ohio, and they sent me a bunch of pictures and videos that they took. So I'm going to try to incorporate them in my next video and show how big of a turnout it really was. I don't know how many cars or vehicles was in it, but there was quite a few. There was certain straight stretches throughout the whole day. I looked in my rearview mirror from start to finish, and I couldn't see the back of it. So it was a pretty big turnout, I do believe. So yeah, I want to go ahead and link up all the videos and pictures I can, especially for my somebody else I know was in that. So here's the rest of everything right now.